awesome. README is the definitive guide to crafting high-quality, professional, and engaging documentation for open-source projects. In the GitHub ecosystem, a README is often the very first thing a developer sees, and sometimes the only thing standing between curiosity and abandonment. Maintained by Matthias Singers, this repository curates the best real-world examples, tools, and templates that help developers transform plain documentation into a compelling first impression. It treats the README not as an afterthought, but as a critical part of a project's success. One of the standout features is its curated gallery of exceptional READMEs from well-known projects. These real-world examples showcase how top open-source maintainers structure content, communicate intent, and guide users effortlessly from installation to usage. Beyond inspiration, awesome-readme provides a comprehensive set of tools. These include generators, editors, and linters that automate common tasks like creating tables of contents, adding badges, and enforcing documentation standards, saving developers time and reducing friction. The repository also offers a rich library of templates. Whether you want a minimalist README or a deeply detailed one, these boilerplates help eliminate the blank page problem and give projects a professional structure from day one. Visual communication plays a major role as well. Dedicated sections focus on enhancing READMEs with shields, badges, GIFs, emojis, and visual cues that make repositories more engaging and easier to scan. But awesome-readme goes beyond aesthetics. It includes human-centric guides that explore the philosophy of technical writing, how to explain complex ideas clearly, write for diverse audiences, and reduce cognitive load for new users. At its core, the repository promotes key concepts like treating documentation as marketing, adopting the standard README specification, and using interactive elements such as Run in Gitpod or Open in Colab buttons to lower the barrier to entry. The benefits are clear. Projects with strong readme-mds see higher adoption, smoother contribution workflows, and fewer support questions. Contributors know exactly how to get involved, and users understand value immediately. Ultimately, awesome-readme empowers developers to communicate better, save time, and build open-source projects that people actually want to use.